art of war says, if you know the enemy and know yourself, you need not fear the result of 100 battles. Understanding your enemy's weaknesses and strengths is crucial to achieving victory. However, knowing your own strengths and weaknesses is equally important. Knowledge of both sides allows you to capitalize on opportunities and mitigate risks. It is not just about defeating the enemy, but also about maximizing your potential. To truly master the art of war, one must also be aware of the battlefield, the terrain, and the conditions that can either help or hinder your strategy. By being adaptive and understanding all aspects of warfare, you can navigate challenges with clarity and precision. Remember, knowledge is power in the art of war. So, as Sun Tzu said, if you know the enemy and know yourself, you need not fear the result of 100 battles. Knowledge is critical to achieving victory. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content.